Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this video, learn how to set up the TP-Link Deco X20-Outdoor AX1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 outdoor mesh Wi-Fi extender step by step. This tutorial will guide you through the installation and configuration process using the Deco app. Follow the simple instructions to extend your Wi-Fi coverage to outdoor areas like your yard, garden, or garage and enjoy fast, stable, and reliable internet with Wi-Fi 6 mesh technology. This video shows the quick and easy setup process of the TP-Link Deco X20 Outdoor Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Extender. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. First, open the package and check all accessories. Inside the box of the TP-Link Deco X20 Outdoor AX1800 Dual-Band Wi-Fi 6 Outdoor Mesh Wi-Fi Extender, you will find the Deco X20 Outdoor unit, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a pole/wall mounting kit for outdoor installation. The package also includes a quick installation guide to help you set up the extender easily. Now download the Deco app on your iOS or Android device. Sign in or create a TP-Link account. Plug the power adapter into the Deco X20 Outdoor. Connect it to a power outlet. Wait for the LED light to turn blinking blue. The blinking blue light indicates the device is ready for setup. Next, connect the Deco unit to your existing internet router. Take the Ethernet cable. Connect one end of the cable to your router LAN port. Connect the other end to the Ethernet port on the Deco X20 Outdoor. This allows the Deco device to receive internet from your router. Now configure the extender using the Deco app. Open the Deco app on your smartphone. Tap Get Started. Select Deco X20 Outdoor from the list of devices. The app will search for the Deco device automatically. Once detected, tap Next. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. The app will ask where the Deco device is placed. Examples: backyard, garage, garden, outdoor wall, and patio. Choose the correct location to help manage your mesh network easily. Now you need to create your wireless network. Enter your Wi-Fi network name, SSID. Create a strong Wi-Fi password. Tap Next. Your Deco system will now configure the Wi-Fi network automatically. The Deco will now apply the settings. During this process, the LED may blink several times. Setup usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. LED status meaning, blinking blue means ready for setup, solid green means setup completed successfully, or red means internet connection problem. Once the LED turns green, the network is ready. After setup, mount the device outside your home. Installation options: wall mount, pole mount, or fence mount. Choose a location where the device can still receive a strong signal from the main router. The Deco X20 Outdoor is designed for weather-resistant outdoor use. Setup complete. Your Deco X20 Outdoor Wi-Fi extender is now ready to provide strong Wi-Fi coverage in outdoor areas. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices help and support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.